Welcome middle and high school students to the 2019-2020 annual Cords and Awards ceremony here at Yellow Medicine East Middle and High School. During today's virtual ceremony, we will be recognizing a variety of students for their academic achievements, such as the Archie Bush Legacy Scholarship Award recipients, most outstanding students, top 5 GPA, and most importantly, the class of 2020 Honor Cord recipients and the announcement of the valedictorian and salutatorian. This is truly a capstone moment for many of our YME students and especially for the class of 2020. First off, we will recognize the Archie Bush Legacy Scholarship Award recipients. 3 years ago, the Bush Foundation approached the community of Granite Falls and the Yellow Medicine East School District about offering a scholarship fund endowed with over $600,000 to offer 4-year and 2-year scholarships to the graduating class. This is the third of a 5-year plan to offer the following. The class of 2020 Archie Bush Legacy Scholarship recipients are 4-year award winners worth over $16,000 are Emily Johnson, Marley Lara, Megan Nordon, and Tiana Rupp. 2-year award winners with over $6,000 awarded Julian Flores, Cole Mathowitz, Lauren McCosh, and Carlos Melendez. Congratulations to all of the Archie Bush Foundation Legacy Scholarship recipients. Scholarship Yellow Medicine East Committee distributes scholarships annually from dollars received from the Granite Falls area businesses, endowments, community donors, friends of SYME, and alumni donors. These scholarships are awarded to seniors who complete the necessary application form and are awarded based on the student's academic achievements, GPA, ACT scores, involvement in their community, work, and school activities, and 2 personal essays. The scholarships were awarded on Sunday, May 17th to 29 of our seniors. The total amount awarded to the class of 2020 was $64,000. Moving on, we will continue by recognizing the senior students who will be receiving the Presidential Award for Academic Excellence. Recipients will receive their award in their graduation packet on Friday. The silver level for Presidential Award of Academic Excellence is based on students who have accumulated GPA between 3.4 and 3.69 through the end of their senior year. The senior level Presidential Award for Academic Excellence Award recipients are Ethan Kuntz, Abby Janish, Alex Formo, Drake Leeser, Emily Johnson, Lauren McCosh, and Kelsey Rohde. Students who have earned a gold level recognition have achieved a cumulative GPA of 3.7 or higher through the end of their senior year. The gold level Presidential Award for Excellence Award recipients are Taylor Bachlan, Megan Nordon, Marley Lara, Madison Hins, and Tiana Rupp. Congratulations to all the Presidential Award for Academic Excellence recipients. This year, the Lion Club organization of Granite Falls and Clarkfield were not able to host their annual awards banquet, but they still want to recognize students who have achieved a 3.5 GPA during their high school career here at Yellow Medicine East. This year's recipients are Abby Janish, Alex Formo, Drake Leeser, Emily Johnson, Lauren McCosh, Taylor Bachlan, Kelsey Rohde, Megan Nordon, Marley Lara, Madison Hins, and Tiana Rupp. Congratulations to the 2020 Lion Club Honor recipients. At this time, I want to recognize the Minnesota Honor Society. Senior members will wear red cords during the graduation commencement ceremony. The Honor Society is open to all incoming juniors and seniors who have met the following guidelines. Students qualify in terms of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Students must have a cumulative grade point average of 3.7 or above and receive a high character ranking from the staff of Yellow Medicine East. The character ranking is based on a student's demonstration of respect, honesty, responsibility, courtesy, and kindness. Students must also document volunteer service experiences and participation in school activities. It is truly an honor to be a member of the Minnesota Honor Society. The new 2019-2020 Honor Society inductees are sophomores Ian Clark, Bailey Day, Taryn Gatchell, Patrick Herneman, Isaac Jimenez, Autumn Ladwig, Kirsten Lepke. New junior members are Allison Kaler. Current junior members, Sophia Poff, Tyler Nordon, Abel Chaparro, and Simone Ferris. Now for the senior Minnesota Honor Society Cord recipients. Congratulations to Taylor Bachlan, Madison Hins, Lauren McCosh, Megan Nordon, Kelsey Rohde, and Tiana Rupp. Congratulations to all the students inducted into the Minnesota Honor Society. Each year, the Industrial Tech Department likes to honor a YME student who has exhibited extraordinary craftsmanship. This year, the YME Craftsman of the Year award goes to, congratulations Gracie, freshman Gracie Cleveland. We will be moving on and will be recognizing the Yellow Medicine East's most outstanding male and female students for each grade in the middle and high school for the 2019-2020 school year. The voting was done by the YME staff, and selection criteria were that the YME student must possess 1. Quality grades, good attendance, respectful behavior, and active membership in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. There will be 1 male and 1 female for each grade level. Congratulations to 6th grade winners, Abigail Jimenez and Jackson Janish. 7th grade winners, Delaney Myers and Ryan Searing. 8th grade winners, there's a tie, Amelia Blue Ochoa, Riley Strike, and Andrew Flayton. Freshman class winners, Hannah Stark and Cody Dolliger, Bryce Sneller. Sophomore class winners, Shelby Mortensen and Derek Lean. The junior class winners, Sophia Poff and Caleb Jans, Tyler Nordon. And senior winners are Marley Lara and Taylor Backlund. Congratulations to all of the most outstanding students for the 2019-2020 school year. Next, we will recognize seniors who have been in the honor roll for the first 3 quarters of the 2019-2020 school year. Congratulations to the following: Taylor Backlund, Emily Cobb, Alex Formo, Michael Gomez, Sarah Hernandez, Madison Hins, Abby Janish, Angel Jimenez, Emily Johnson, Hunter Johnson, Ethan Kuntz, Elliot Korsted, Marley Lara, Emily LeBlanc, Damian Lewis Rohde, Drake Leeser, Alicia Lubrandt, Cole Mathowitz, Haven May, Carlos Melendez Santos, Megan Nordon, Samuel Oliger, Tucker Olson, Kelsey Rohde, Tiana Rupp, Carter Schneller, Quentin Staub, Megan Tim, and Hua Vu. We have looked back through the data files in the office and located the names of seniors who have been on the honor roll for all 4 quarters since 7th grade. The recipients of this distinguished award are Taylor Backlund, Alex Formo, Madison Hins, Emily Johnson, Ethan Kuntz, Marley Lara, Megan Nordon, and Tiana Rupp. Congratulations, seniors. Next, we want to recognize the top 5 students in 9th, 10th, and 11th grade based on their GPAs that they have accumulated through the 3rd quarter of this school year. Recipients will receive a certificate in the mail. This year's 9th grade recipients are Ruby Bones, Cody Dolliger, Kayla Nordon, Hannah Stark, Sanjala Pullen. 10th grade recipients, Shelby Mortensen, Kirsten Lepke, Patrick Herneman, Derek Lean, Ian Clark. And 11th grade, Allison Kaler, Tyler Nordon, Sophia Poff, Abel Chaparro, and Simone Ferris. Congratulations to all these students with outstanding academic achievements. Graduation is in the air this Friday as we say farewell to the class of 2020. I have the privilege at this time to recognize the class of 2020 Honor Cord recipients. These students have shown the dedication to their academics and have persevered to achieve at a high level. The following students have achieved honor cords and will be wearing white cords for obtaining a cumulative GPA of 3.0 to 3.39. Congratulations to Haven May, Hunter Johnson, Emily Cobb, Megan Tim, Carter Sneller, Cole Mathowitz, Quentin Staub, and Tucker Olson. Congratulations to the class of 2020 Achievement Honor recipients. The following students who have achieved the honors level will wear silver cords for obtaining a cumulative high school GPA of 3.4 to 3.69. Congratulations to Lauren McCosh, Emily Johnson, Drake Leeser, Alex Formo, Abby Janish, Ethan Kuntz, and Kelsey Rohde. I present to you the class of 2020 Honor Cord recipients. These students who have achieved highest honors will wear gold cords for a cumulative GPA of 3.7 to 4.0. Congratulations to Taylor Backlund, Madison Hins, Marley Lara, Megan Nordon, and Tiana Rupp. I present to you the class of 2020 highest honor recipients. Congratulations to all Yellow Medicine East class of 2020 Honor Cord students. Now for the final awards of today's ceremony, the Yellow Medicine East Class of 2020 Top 5 and announcing the salutatorian and valedictorian. I will now unveil the Class of 2020 Top 5 GPAs. Congratulations to Taylor Bachlan and Megan Nordam. This year, the Yellow Medicine East salutatorian maintained a GPA of 3.966 for their 4-year academic career. The salutatorian will receive the Yellow Medicine East Salutatorian Medal that will be worn during the graduation ceremony. Congratulations to the Class of 2020 salutatorian, Marley Lara. This year, we have 2 students who have maintained a perfect 4.0 GPA throughout their academic careers in grades 9 through 12. The valedictorians will receive the Yellow Medicine East valedictorian medals that will be worn during the graduation ceremony. Please help me congratulate the Class of 2020 valedictorians, Madison Hins and Tiana Rupp. That concludes today's virtual Accords and Awards ceremony. I want to congratulate all award winners, especially congratulations to the Class of 2020. You did it.